Today, we're diving deep into DashaMail, an email marketing platform designed for businesses looking to manage newsletters, automate email sequences, and improve customer engagement. Right from the start, DashaMail presents itself as a simple yet powerful solution. But does it live up to expectations? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice when logging into DashaMail is its clean interface. The dashboard is structured, but if you're new to email marketing software, it might take some time to get used to all the settings. The platform provides features such as email automation, list segmentation, A/B testing, and analytics, which are essential for any serious email marketer. However, compared to some competitors, the navigation could be a bit more intuitive. Point one of DashaMail's strengths is its bulk email sending capability. Businesses needing to reach large audiences will find this feature useful, especially with the SMB service that allows for better email deliverability. The email editor offers customization, but it's not the most advanced I've seen. Some users might find it a bit limited in terms of design flexibility. Now, let's talk about automation. DashaMail allows users to set up autoresponders and scheduled email sequences, making it easier to nurture leads and stay in touch with subscribers. While this is a great feature, the workflow builder isn't as visual as some other platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, which could be a downside for those who prefer drag-and-drop automation builders. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One major factor to consider when choosing any email marketing software is pricing. DashaMail operates on a subscription-based model, but the pricing isn't the most competitive on the market. Some users might find it expensive compared to other services offering similar features at lower rates. On the other hand, DashaMail provides strong customer support, which is a plus. Response times are relatively fast, and their team is helpful with troubleshooting issues. Another aspect worth mentioning is email deliverability. DashaMail claims to have high deliverability rates, but this largely depends on how well you manage your sender reputation and domain settings. If you're not experienced with email marketing, you might need to do some extra research to ensure your emails don't end up in spam folders. For integrations, DashaMail supports various third-party tools, but the list isn't as extensive as you might hope. If your business relies on CRM or e-commerce platform integrations, make sure to check whether DashaMail connects with your existing software before committing. To sum it up, DashaMail is a decent email marketing platform with solid features like automation, bulk email sending, and analytics. However, it's not the most beginner-friendly tool, and its pricing might be a drawback for smaller businesses. If you need a robust email marketing solution with a focus on deliverability and customer support, it could be worth considering. Otherwise, you may want to explore other alternatives before making a decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used DashaMail before and what your experience has been like.